Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to enable lock screen on Tonkeeper. Activating the lock screen adds an extra layer of security to your device, protecting your cryptocurrencies and sensitive information. So let's get started on how to enable lock screen on Tonkeeper. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the security option. Here, you will see the lock screen option at the top of the screen. To activate the lock screen, tap on the toggle switch right next to it. When the switch turns blue, it means the lock screen is enabled. And this is how you can enable lock screen on Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.